Hi, my name is Nagesh Sukla. I have completed M.Sc, and after that, one of my friends suggested about the Evision. I joined the Evision 45 days of training OGT program. The It was a very valuable experience while joining the training. The course was designed very well structured, and they covered many topics like the Linux, Windows administration, networking, and CCNA, and many more topics they covered. The course was very well structured. The trainer was very helpful. They explained every topic in very detailed manner, and I understand everything. The course was very practical full, and it was looks like I was getting the experience. I recently got an opportunity uh, as a Linux administration in NETFORCHOICE. I have got placed with a package of 3.3 LPA in the NETFORCHOICE. So I suggest everyone, if you want to join the job in the IT industry, please join the Evision, because Evision is an IT consulting private limited company that provides the opportunity to join the IT industry. Thank you.